There's thunder and lightning going on everywhere. I'm taking water in my tent, and right now we have no protection from this lightning. This climate is absolutely unforgiving. There's so much lightning. I'm trying to check our escape route. 5 hours ago, this was a dry riverbed. I don't think there's any way we could cross it safely. That's more lightning right there. I mean, we could seriously get electrocuted tonight. That escape route that I cut is not an option anymore. We're trapped here. If this volcano would erupt, we're dead. We have nowhere to go.